Children of God, the Council of Jerusalem was one of the most important moments in the early church. It was triggered by a serious conflict about whether Gentile converts needed to follow Jewish laws, especially circumcision. Some believers insisted that these traditions were necessary for salvation. This created tension between Jewish Christians and Gentile converts. The apostles and elders gathered in Jerusalem to address this issue together. Leaders like Peter and Paul shared their experiences on how God worked among the Gentiles. After much discussion, they recognized that the Holy Spirit was guiding them beyond old boundaries. The Council of Jerusalem decided that Gentiles did not need to follow the full Mosaic law, but were asked to observe a few essential practices. This decision preserved unity while respecting diversity. It showed that the church could face disagreements and still remain one. The Council of Jerusalem became a model for discernment, dialogue, and unity in the church.